Ito. Sticker. Sticker for everyone. Yep. Diyan eh. Puyat na puyat eh. Lahat naman puyat. Anong parang sir?
Alice Teves po.
Ayan, shoutout sa'yo.
Yeah, from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Layo pa ni Pap.
Long ride na kagad. Punta pa lang dito.
Napanood ko ng lagi sa... Ito po, sticker.
May sticker ko na po kayo. May sticker ko na po kayo. Opo.
Ako meron na.
Nakita ko lang si Smash, kaya gusto ko kayong dalawa eh.
And so ayan guys, kita nyo naman kanina, napakaraming tao ngayon guys. So kung last year maraming tao, well, my god, mas marami ngayon. Grabe, mas masaya, mas basta, hindi ko may paliwanag. And so ngayon, preparing na kami para umalis. And papunta na kami ngayon sa KRB MX Speedway. And by the way, shout out Shell. My god, shout out nga pala Shell. Thank you for sponsoring this MMU 2018. And thank you for sa iba ring sponsors. Ay. Ayan o, kita nyo, ang dami. And by the way, nandito rin nga pala si Jemang and si Gene1ZX with drone shot. Ayan, sobrang dami talagang tao ngayon guys. At di ako marunong pumila ha. Nakakainis ako ha. Oh my god, look at that number of participants. Grabe, sobrang dami nila. My god. Babalikan ko muna si Smash. Lagi na, sakay ka na. Okay na ba? Ang tagal? Okay na yata eh. What the fuck? Hello, bastos! 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 Tara na! Tangin na ulan! J-Mang and Gene1ZX. So ayan, nandito na kami ngayon sa KRB.
Thank you so much sa mga sponsors natin, Shell, Shell Advance, Shell B Power, KRB MX Speedway, Mitas,
Indian Philippines, Big Bike Tech, CHX Helmets, Hack Additive Solutions, wala pa si BC, Ariel Bikes, Ariel Bikes, and then also Racing.
Yes. And guys, let's welcome the official media partner, which is Sir Zach Makina.
Nakakali din yan ha.
Masali yan sa game, challenger si Sir Zach.
And yeah, also the motovloggers that participated, Motour, Weekend Rider, Polar Ride, Sinbad 6H3, all the way from Mindanao.
Yes,
Rider Sinbad. Rider DZ1, Ren Sanity, Road Game TV, and Smash Adventure. So, they're all here. If your favorite moto vlogger isn't here, they were invited. Just saying, it's not us, okay? So, there you go. Have fun.